Chanel here, your menopause nutritionist. Now today I am going to give you all of the details of my Black Friday promotion that is dropping in a couple of days. I want you to know what this workshop is going to be about. So if it is talking to you and you are relating to the things that I'm going to cover, you will not miss, because it's going to be 50% off on Friday. And there's a couple of great bonuses going with it, so I'm going to fill you in on all the details. So if you are an avid listener over here, you have got all of the details. All you need to do is check your email on Friday morning. Make sure you are getting my emails, so like you're part of my weekly emails, because that's where the information is going to be. And I will make sure the link for that is here. So if you are not getting my emails currently, I mean, you should be, because I send you weekly recipes that are delicious. So you're missing out. Really is worth being on my email list. But if you're not, you can grab the link here and then we will be good to go on Friday and you'll have everything you need. So firstly, I just want to cover exactly what I'm putting together for you. So this is going to be an upscale of what I offered last year. Last year I did a fat loss intensive. This year I am upgrading it because the mindset piece is what has been missing. So people have been getting great results with the fat loss intensive, but because they don't have their mindset locked in, then they're not lasting results. So this is going to be the mind and body fat loss blueprint is what I'm calling it. The mind and body. So we're actually combining mind and body, mindset and body composition, fat loss blueprint. And so this is not just a restrictive diet. This is a workshop that gives you an emotional toolkit and the strategic knowledge that you need to achieve the 5 or 10 kilos that you want to lose. And generally this is for people who, want to head into 2026 and they're like, the first 12 weeks of 2026, I want to kick those 10 kilos. That's it. Those 5 to 10 kilos, that's it. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of the belly fat, whatever it is. I just want it to go. So this is for you. So I'm going to go through so this is a 3-part workshop. It is delivered over 3 weeks, and the first week starts on the 2nd of December. Now, if you are international or you just can't make the live calls, because this will be a live workshop that will run for 3 weeks, it's okay, because you get all of the recordings and you can re-listen to it. So maybe you want to give yourself a refresher at the beginning of January. You've got it all there. So even if you turn up live, then in January you can do the refresher and go through it again, and just you have all the information that you need. So that's the first thing. So over 3 weeks, we've got 3 different modules. Module 1 is the mindset reset. So we are going to learn how to master the mental game of fat loss. We're going to identify your what's sabotaging you, and we're going to pinpoint your limiting beliefs. That is I'm bad at discipline, or I can't stick to a diet, or I always fail, or I've tried everything under the book, those sort of things. Physical versus emotional hunger. We're going to master the key difference between true physical hunger and emotional cravings. So you can stop eating just because you're bored or tired or hungry, or it's a bad habit. So this is really quite important. The all or nothing trap. So those of you on social media, I posted a little reel about the all or nothing mindset yesterday. This is the key difference between that cycle, breaking that cycle of I ruined the day because I had birthday cake because it was someone's birthday and now the whole day's out the window. Or I didn't meal plan this week, so the whole week's out the window. Or I didn't go to the gym today, so the whole week's out the window. Even the whole day, right? So that all or nothing trap is absolutely has to go, and we will develop that. And we will develop a flexible and resilient mindset, so we don't have an all or nothing carry on going on anymore. New self-talk. We're going to learn how to manage our inner dialogue and silence that critical voice that keeps driving the stress eating or the shame eating or the guilt eating or the boredom eating. So this is so powerful, because if you realize that you have like 60,000 thoughts a day, and generally what we are doing is just repeating 60,000 thoughts that we had yesterday, we can actually start realizing that we have the ability to change this outcome. So it's really exciting. So that's module 1. That's week 1. Week 2, module 2 is decoding the emotional eating. Now, I know a lot of you relate, and I've been posting, content on social media about emotional eating, and so many people have been messaging me, and I get it. Like, I work with hundreds of women, and I have suffered with this myself. So I understand not only my own personal experience, but also like dealing with so many people. You will gain concrete, non-food strategy ways of handling life's triggers. Because what we have done in the past is we've used food, and when we unpack that and you see the cycle, it will make a lot more sense. You will also get a personalized trigger map. So we'll identify your unique and emotional triggers: stress, boredom, fatigue, whatever it is. We are going to look at the specific times of the days or the specific things that actually trigger those vulnerable cravings. And we're going to deal with that and have some things happening there. We're going to have an emotional toolkit that we deal with. So we will learn effective, proven, and non-food coping mechanisms to manage the anxiety, the boredom, the stress, the comfort eating, all of those sort of things, the loneliness. We're going to have a craving response plan. So we're going to create a step-by-step action plan to use when the craving hits. So you will never have to rely on your willpower again. You'll have this plan in place. We're going to deal with nighttime. We're going to deal with the nighttime cravings. We're going to master strategies to stop evening and late night snacking, because this is a cycle, and generally it is purely driven by emotional urges or fatigue or tiredness. That's week 2. Week 3, we're going to look at mechanics and mastery. So module 3, mechanics and mastery. You'll receive a complete structural foundation for lasting results. The fat loss fundamentals, we're going to understand the simple mechanics of how to achieve a healthy calorie deficit without necessarily having to count every bite. Although we'll talk about tracking and weighing and measuring as well. The power of satiety. So we're going to learn how to prioritize protein and fiber, maximize fullness, reduce snacking, and stabilize energy levels. And understand why the food that we choose really matters for us getting our long-term success. We're going to talk that through, because when we understand, then it's much more motivating to make the right choices. We're going to have meal plan integration. So I am putting together, and this is part of you signing up to the protocol, is you will get 3 weeks of meal plans. You will get access to my recipe library, and I'm going to show you how to incorporate these foods. So you'll have a guide to work with, and you'll learn how this doesn't need to be restrictive, that you can look forward to your food and it can give you the results that you're looking for. The long-term toolkit, and this is what gives you the sustainability. Of course, we need to establish our non-negotiables. So the 3 to 5 simple habits, well, I'm going to say, in all honesty, we'll say 3 to 5, but I have a lot more than 3 to 5, and we'll talk that through in this module. But the non-negotiables are what guarantees your long-term success. and we'll talk about that. That's what creates your personality, and that's what we're doing in this workshop. We're actually creating a new personality for you, because when this becomes your personality, you will not struggle anymore, and you will actually have the freedom that you deserve, along with the results that you deserve, because the results and the freedom come together. That's exciting. So like I mentioned, 3-part workshop. It goes over 3 consecutive weeks. You'll get 3 weeks of meal plans. You'll get access to my recipe library to be able to, I've got like 400 high protein recipes in there. You will get also an additional, and I've just been working on this week, this is my little gift to you. It's a ebook. It's a recipe ebook of my 10 favorite sweet treats right now. So throughout my transformation this year, I have enjoyed sweet treats every day. And so I've just picked my top 10 favorites, and you'll get a little ebook with all those recipes. And then the first 10 people to sign up will actually get a little gift pack. So that includes like a journal and a pen and a face mask and some protein bars and lots of little bits and pieces. So if you look at my social media, you'll see all of the bits and pieces, but I wanted to share because I know a lot of you over here listen and you like that format of listening, and I don't want you to miss out. So there's lots going on. This is going to be 50% off, so it's a one-time offer. And I can't wait to help you get this dialed in, because I know from my journey this year, I know how this works and I've done it myself, and I'm excited for you to learn so you can unlock these results for yourself. So it's going to be so good. So if you have any questions at all, drop them here. Otherwise, check your email Friday morning for all the details and jump on board. If you have any questions, just drop them below. Grab the link to my email list if you're not already signed up. And I hope you're having a wonderful week. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you on the workshop. It's going to be great.